What will happen to my ranked article if I change my domain name? In this video, I'll answer a question asked by one of the subscribers on my YouTube channel. Ocean Whitey wants to know what will happen to a ranked article if domain name is changed. It's a nice question, so I decided to create a video about this topic. And for those who don't know me, I'm Rahul from LearnDigitalWithRahul.com and I help people turn their digital presence into profit using the power of digital marketing. In case you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon, as that way you won't miss any future updates. Alright, now without further delay, let's get started. Well, if you change your domain name directly, you will lose your search rankings. But there are some technical SEO changes which you can make to retain your search rankings. I'll show you how to change your domain name without losing your search rankings. But first learn what happens when you change your domain name. Suppose you have a domain name bloggingmasterycourse.com. Now, if you create content and market or product your stuff on the web, then you must have built some backlinks yourself, or others might have linked to your domain name even if you don't know about who linked to you. Now, these people linking to your domain name are increasing your domain authority. And because of your quality content plus domain authority, your page or article is ranking higher in Google search, thus bringing you search traffic. But when you change your domain name to a new domain, say LearnDigitalAcademy.com, then you will lose all these backlinks and authority. And since now you have a domain name which is new and has no backlinks or authority, you will lose your ranking even if you publish the exact article from the previous domain to a new domain, because these backlinks and authority is missing. So what you can do instead is, you can contact each of these sites that are linking to your previous domain and request them to update your link, which I think is tons of work. Also, contacting everyone is not possible. Therefore, I would recommend a better option. Simply keep both domains live on the web. Then add both of these in the Google Search Console as property so that Google may read content from each of these very easily and quickly. Now take all of the articles from previous domain and publish on the new domain. And then add redirect rules in the htaccess of your old domain. Redirect space 301 space / old URL slug space LearnDigitalAcademy.com, which is new domain / new URL slug. Do this for each of the pages. And that's it. You will retain most of your Google and other search engine rankings. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative and feel proud to be #digital learner.